Welcome back to the show. No, you don't often have to update your gaming monitor because honestly, they don't evolve that much over the years. But for me, it has now been over 5 years, so I think it's time that we check what new things are available. No, my old monitor is an AOC monitor, a 27-inch QHD monitor. It has 240 Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response rate. So still in modern standards, it's very good monitor. But now it's time to update that. So this is a 31.5-inch QD-OLED monitor from AOC. At the time of shooting this video, this retails roughly for the same price as my QHD did 5 years ago. So this is my first QD-OLED monitor and I do not have any experience with them previously. The QD-OLED panel should have better color accuracy and the colors overall should be more vibrant than the TN panel that the old model has. The response time has improved from 1 millisecond gray to gray to 0.03 milliseconds. So that should be really responsive. When screen sizes go over 30 inches, it's often curved, and this is also a curved monitor, as the old TN panel was a flat monitor. Also, the resolution has been updated from 2K to 4K. But okay, let's unbox this. Alright, I'll try to fit myself into the screen while I do this. Alright, set of cables, interesting looking screwdriver, display cable, different kind of power cables, HDMI cable, USB cable for the USB hub, screws, more screws, manual. Alright. Seems pretty straightforward. Then the base. This is full metal, by the way. Very sturdy. And there's one finger screw here. Good. Okay, let's start with the stand. As you can see, it's height adjustable. And it tilts. Some cable management here on the stand also. This is a place where you can put your headphones. Let's check the connections here. Power cable, there are two HDMI ports, one display port, headphone jack, USB in, and there's three USB slots overall, so you can connect things like mouses, keyboards directly to your monitor and with one cable to your PC. The monitor is very glossy, so fingerprints will stay there for good if you go that way. But for now, that's all for unboxing. Next, I will connect this to my PC and we can compare the differences between the old one and the new one. Okay, now these are set side by side here. This is the old 27-inch TN panel and this is the new QD-OLED. Now, before we talk more about the colors, I have to remind you that I am colorblind. For me, brown, red and green colors are often mixed. So you can be the judge of the colors. I'm just saying that how it looks in my eyes. I've set same settings for both monitors, so you can check the direct comparison. Both are connected with DisplayPort cables and they are mirroring the same screen. The menus on both are identical. They pop out similar way on both models from the side. The things you can change here are pretty much the same, besides that the OLED panel has the OLED Care option where you can maintain your OLED panel. You can change here the pixel orbiting, auto warming, pixel refresh. You can set also a screensaver and a logos protector. I will set these on now. Now let's do some game comparison. On a retro game like this, you can see that the colors are really brighter on the OLED panel. I have to say, even though I am colorblind, I can still see that the image on the TN panel is not as bright as it is on the OLED screen. One of the nice things about the new stand that they're using is that you can get your keyboard and mouse closer to it. You can really get into the game. In a game like We Rising, you can really see the difference between the shadows. The darker colors are really much more darker. Okay, so this has been a quick unboxing and little comparison to the TN panel. And based on that, I can say that in 5 years, the monitor technology has gone forward quite nicely. So if you're rocking an TN panel, updating to OLED panel is not a bad idea. The prices of OLED panels have gone really down much lately, and the color difference, the color accuracy is much better than on the TN panels. Even me with my colorblind eyes can see that. Starting now, I will be using this monitor with my gaming PC. So if you want to know something more about daily use or what kind of a differences OLED versus TN creates in a daily use, just comment below and ask. And as before, thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.